Hey, this is Steve with Dabble Lab. This is the first in a series of quick tip videos I'm doing for Alexa developers. So this is quick tip number one. There are cases when during development, you're just not having any luck with the invocation name that you're trying to use. And assuming that you've followed the invocation name guidelines, there could be one of two things that are going on. And resolving it's pretty simple. You go to alexa.amazon.com and then go to skills and then your skills. And the first thing that you want to check is you want to make sure that you didn't inadvertently enable a skill while you were trying to start the skill that's in development. And sometimes that happens and the skill that you enable just takes precedence over your development skill and you just can't seem to get your development skill working. If that happens, like in this case here, I was trying to test this solid gold gem AM skill and Alexa enabled this Vivo skill. And so what you want to do is just go in and disable any skills that inadvertently got enabled. And then the next thing you want to do if you're still having issues is go to your dev skills, go to the skill that you're having a problem with, and then make sure that it's enabled. And if it is enabled, disable it and then re-enable it. And this will almost always fix your issue. So that is quick tip number one. Hopefully it was helpful. If you did find it helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the Dabble Lab channel. Thanks so much.